Marcel Micic scored 2 points on his 2 free throws. Personal foul on Serbia number 4, Stefan Pot. His 4th personal foul, 2 free throws for Croatia number 11, Dominik Mavra. Dominik Mavra scored 2 points on his 2 free throws. Personal foul on Croatia number 4, Martin Junakovic. It is his 3rd personal foul and 2 free throws for Serbian number 9, Marcel Micic. Marcel Micic scored 1 point on his 2 free throws. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of the ball game. Our final score is Croatia 66, Serbia 73. I believe you enjoyed the game, and then we invite you for the final game of today's schedule when Team USA.
Let's go!